Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best vacuum sealer for food, selected for their quality, save money, organize your kitchen, and enjoy longer-lasting ingredients every day. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. MIJIA 220-volt Vacuum Sealer. The MIJIA 220-volt vacuum sealer, model MJK-FK06XM, is a compact and practical solution for everyday food preservation. Designed as a handheld electric unit, it offers a 30-centimeter sealing length, which is ideal for standard household vacuum bags. Its slim and lightweight structure makes it easy to store in small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms where counter space is limited. Despite its compact size, the machine delivers consistent vacuum performance that helps extend food freshness, reduce freezer burn, and minimize food waste. This model comes with vacuum mags included, allowing users to get started immediately without purchasing accessories separately. The electric power source ensures reliable suction compared to manual pump-style sealers. It is CE certified, offering reassurance regarding safety and quality standards. The unit is designed for 220-volt operation and uses a Chinese plug standard, so users in other regions may require a compatible adapter. Operation is straightforward, making it suitable for beginners who want a no-complicated solution for sealing vegetables, meats, dry goods, or leftovers.
Number 2. AGASHE Degasser Vacuum Sealer. The AGASHE Degasser Vacuum Sealer, model SX168, stands out as a feature-rich and performance-focused machine designed for more demanding household or meal prep users. With a maximum sealing width of 32 centimeters, it provides a slightly larger capacity than standard 30-centimeter sealers, allowing you to seal wider bags and larger food portions. Its stand table design offers stability during operation, making it suitable for frequent use. One of its key highlights is the built-in cutter, which allows users to customize bag sizes effortlessly. The removable adjustable bag holder adds convenience by keeping rolls organized and ready for sealing. Equipped with a double pump system, this vacuum sealer delivers stronger suction power and faster air extraction, making it efficient for both dry and moist foods. The unit supports continuous sealing, which is particularly beneficial for bulk food preparation or small business environments. Additionally, it comes with starter kits for vacuum seal containers, expanding its versatility beyond standard vacuum bags.
Number 3. DCNBS V639 Vacuum Sealer. The DCNBS V639 Vacuum Sealer, model SV639, is a robust table-type vacuum sealing machine designed for efficient food preservation at home or in light commercial settings. Featuring a 30-centimeter sealing length, it accommodates most standard vacuum bags while maintaining reliable sealing consistency. With a rated power of 100 to 150 watts and a wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts, it offers flexible compatibility for various regions. Constructed with a durable ABS shell, the SV639 is designed for longevity and resistance to regular wear and tear. Its electric vacuum pumping function ensures strong suction, effectively removing air to preserve freshness and prevent oxidation. This makes it suitable for sealing meats, seafood, dry goods, and prepared meals. The machine supports a rated frequency of 50 to 60 Hz, ensuring stable performance. The product includes vacuum bags, enabling users to start sealing immediately.
Number 4. Jingang SV618 Vacuum Sealer. The Jingang SV618 Vacuum Sealer is a versatile household food preservation machine designed for both dry and wet sealing applications. With a 30-centimeter sealing length, it accommodates standard bag sizes while offering consistent and secure seals. Powered by 100 to 150 watts and supporting a wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts, the SV618 provides flexible usability across different regions. Weighing approximately 2.5 kilograms, the unit offers a stable countertop presence without being excessively bulky. It features electric vacuum pumping functionality, ensuring strong air extraction for improved food longevity. The ability to seal both dry and moist foods makes it ideal for storing marinated meats, fresh produce, leftovers, grains, and snacks. Manufactured in Guangdong, China, and certified with FCC, ROHS, CE, and PSE certifications, the SV618 meets multiple international safety and quality standards.
Number 5. Biolomix W230 Vacuum Sealer. The Biolomix W230 Vacuum Sealer is a modern and user-friendly 2-in-1 appliance designed to handle both wet and dry food preservation tasks efficiently. Its sleek design, available in white or black, makes it a stylish addition to contemporary kitchens while delivering practical functionality. Built with ease of use in mind, the W230 simplifies the vacuum sealing process for beginners and experienced users alike. Equipped with smart sealing technology similar to Food Saver Smart Seal systems, the machine ensures an airtight and secure seal that locks in freshness, flavor, and nutrients. This feature is especially beneficial for long-term freezer storage, sous vide cooking, and meal preparation routines. The dual functionality allows seamless switching between wet and dry modes, ensuring optimal sealing conditions for different food types. And that wraps up the top 5 best vacuum sealers for food. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.